A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your Tesla Model X is by installing wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of Tesla spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Loosen the lug nut on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nut. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS wheel spacers is the FT cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow this tonal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, afterly dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Install the ring and then install the stock nut. Use a torque wrench to loosen them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nut to a specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving.